Let's assume you offer some services through a website and you want your users should send feedback to you by email. So how will you do that? For that, write the anchor tag and in the href attribute, write mail to, then give a colon. So after this mail to, write an email address where the email will be sent. So for example, you will give your email address, let's say abc@gmail.com, and in between opening and closing anchor tag, write send feedback. Save the file, and if you click on this send feedback button, it will open the default email app on your system. So in Windows it will open Outlook, and in Android it will open Gmail. Let me close this. We can give as many as email address we want in this mail to. For that, we just need to use the comma. So after abc@gmail.com, write a comma. Then let's say I have another email address which is tre@gmail.com. And if I save the file and click on this send feedback button, you can see in the to field we have two email addresses. One is abc@gmail.com and another one is tre@gmail.com. Like this, we can add as many as email address we want by giving a comma. We can send carbon copies as well. For that, write the question mark symbol, then CC stands for carbon copy, and give equal, and here write the email addresses where you want to send the carbon copies. So let's say we have def@gmail.com. Save the file and click on the send feedback button. You can see in the to field we have abc@gmail.com and tre@gmail.com, and in the CC field we have def@gmail.com. We can add more email addresses in this CC part by giving the comma symbol. Let's say we have another email address where we want to send carbon copies. That email is arw@gmail.com. By the way, these are just imaginary email addresses. These are not real addresses. Save the file and click on this send feedback button. You can see in the to field we have abc@gmail.com and tre@gmail.com, and in the CC field we have def@gmail.com and arw@gmail.com. So we can set as many as email addresses in the to field and in the CC field. We can set the subject as well. So from this question mark till the end, it is called a query string. So in a query string we can give key value pairs. So this is a key value pair, this CC is a key, and from def from this.com, these two emails are value. So this is a key and these are a value. So we can add another key value pair, but before writing that key value pair we have to write the ampersand sign. Then the key would be subject and the value for the subject would be about colon or hyphen or colon, as you wish, about feedback. Save the file, and if I click on this send feedback button, you can see in the to field we have abc@gmail.com and tre@gmail.com, and in the CC field we have def@gmail.com and arw@gmail.com, and in the subject field we have that subject which is about colon feedback. So in this process we can send mail, carbon copies, and set the subject directly from a link. You can write this with a shortcut. If you write A then colon, you will get a mail part, and if you hit enter you will get this auto completion. Then you just write the email address. So by this procedure you can easily get feedback from your users or send mails to yourself or to your users.